Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. This is a nice little walk round of my Mk1 Escort. As you can see, she's got some big arches on her. She's got a big exhaust under here. Got no bumpers. It's Cosworth powered. It's 1972. Some big Revolution 15-inch wheels on there, all Group 4. Little tiny mirrors on there you can't really see a lot out of. It's got a fully removable bonnet. It's a thing of beauty. We'll have a little look inside, show you all about what's inside. Here we have, we've got the original 6-pod dash. We had to change the rev counter because it didn't go high enough. So we now hit 7,002 before it hits the limiter. In the middle bit here, we have power steering. We can adjust how much power steering we have. We have a brake bias meter. We also have the boost gauge, another rev counter in there, and an air fuel ratio meter. And here we have the most important buttons. We have anti-lag, launch control, and high-low boost switch. Also got a couple of fire extinguishers just for good measure. As you can see, there's a roll cage in here, which is harnessed up. Some nice bucket seats in here. Netting in the back for when you need your crash helmets. Inside the boot we have an aluminium fuel tank, 60 litres I believe, with BF Goodrich hose fittings on everything, with braided hoses, PTFE lined because the fuel lines run inside the car. If we have a look underneath here on the back axle, we are fully braced up. We've got a Group 4 floating rear axle. We've got some big brakes on the back. Inside the diff we have a gripper limited slip diff with a 344 crown and pinion wheel. If we have a look around here in the brakes, you can see, just about see them in there, the big AP 4-pot bracing calipers. And under here we have the heart of the beast. She is a 2-litre 16 valve Cosworth Turbo. Look here, we have a T6 Turbo Technics Turbo, which supplies about 32 pounds of boost. Under here, if we can see them well enough, we have 4 Siemens 72-pound injectors. Plenty of fuel going through. We also have a breather system. We have aluminium radiator. Down here, look at the front for easier, we have a big RS500 style intercooler, keep it nice and cool. We also have a twin bleed screw, so we can have a high and low boost. Low boost is about a bar, high boost is peaks at 2.5 and drops back down to 2.1. As you can see here, no hot dump valve blanked off. Don't need that noise, we prefer a nice wastegate chatter. Back in the engine bay we are also running MSD wasted spark, so we can have a much bigger gap on the spark plugs. When you get high boost it starts to cause problems with a small spark plug gap, it blows the spark away. We also have a strut brace under here to try and stiffen it up a little bit. All being well, and the weather stays the way it is, we'll take a few people out later, see if we get some face reactions of high boost. It doesn't really grip very well on high boost, it takes till 3rd gear, and then you're bombing it. But it's good fun trying.
Well done.